You excited? You gonna do your first class? Yeah, baby.
Class is what?
We're gonna do a class at Home Depot today. We're gonna build.
Build what?
Huh?
Build what?
Let's see. All right. I don't know where's the class. Ooh. Ask that lady. Oh, that guy. Yeah. Hi, good morning. Where's the class? The building class? The gingerbread?
Oh, yeah, that's going to be by the kitchen and bath section near aisle 43 to 46.
Aisle 43. Okay, thank you. No. Oh, it's a lot of people, y'all. Hello. You could get him his little table, yeah. Come on, baby. Thank you. No. Timothy, up here. You're giving them tools. Let me find out.
Timmy, please stay here.
Right here, Mom.
Timmy and Lily.
Hello. You see me?
Hello.
You registered?
Yes, we're registered.
Jay's gonna build.
Another table?
Take it, Papa. Take it.
Can he get an apron, please?
We have no apron.
No aprons? Okay, thank you.
You guys have the hammer and stuff?
The small one.
Oh.
Thank
It's a
you.
little hammer.
So fun.
There is no space. Excuse me. Are you guys gonna provide another table? All the tables are filled.
I'm trying.
You're trying to? Okay, thank you.
Hammer. And you got give him.
Take a picture. Hold, give it to him. Papa, you ready to build?
Yes.
The cheese?
Yes.
You're so cute. Come on, baby.
Same thing on this one?
You ready to bang, baby? Let me see. This is so cute.
Little hammers, the little orange ones are not to keep. You have to give them back. The little ones?
Mommy.
I'll put you in the Put it on your shirt.
I can put it on my shirt.
You got a pin, baby? Look. Show me.
Hey.
Good job.
You gotta put the nails on the top. Oh, you shifted it.
It's okay, let me help him. Where the nails at?
Let's see, the flathead one. You gotta put all 3 nails in.
I want to do another.
You gotta make sure it's flush with the side.
Good job. Wow, this is how far you got so far, baby?
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause they win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the guys out, my mind is you the dog. I did what I got when them kills Obama. I did try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now some more to remain, it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani get you. I'm a white dog, if any suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? If I do anything you want.
So look, this is where he got so far, guys. Now we're gonna put the roof on.
I know that get both, like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 Shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I did what I got when them kills Obama. I did try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now some more to remain, it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani get.
Okay, mommy's gonna help you.
Right now, Joey.
I know how to do it.
Yes, mommy's going to help you,
These
Jace.
are circle candies. We're gonna put them all over the house now, okay? Right? So wherever you want.
However you want to put it, Papa. This is your home. Yeah. Yes.
Okay?
It goes on top of the door. Right here.
Wherever you want.
Right here.
I gotta do that side. Do that side first. You gotta put two on each side.
Right there, Papa. Right on the top.
I'm a white dog, if any suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? If I do anything you want me to do, Timbani get you. I'm a white dog, if any suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? If I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. It don't cost, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and shadow.
This is how our house looks like, guys.
Show them your house, baby.
Right here.
It's also in Spanish too.
No. It's all right.
Show them.
Hold it like this. Just so. What is this?
Let me see, show. What did you make today, baby, at Home Depot?
A gingerbread house.
Nice. Can I see your pen?
Huh?
Can I see your pen? Wow, let me see.
Just take Thomas.
All right, so Jace got this pen, you guys.
It's right there.
It says December 2023.
December 23
keeping
is
this.
I'm keeping this.
Ask her can she sign it.
Tina or Casa?
Hello.
Who do we give this to you?
Thank you.
Thank
This
you.
is his first one and he loved it.
That's good.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Mommy!
Yes.
Look at
What did you build?
a gingerbread.
Yeah. All right, guys. So to register your child for a free workshop, you're just going to go to the Home Depot website, scroll down, and you're going to click on in-store kids workshops. So all the details are there. So the workshops are free. It's only on the first Saturday. So you're just going to fill everything in, and then you're going to get an email with the confirmation, what they're going to do, what workshop it is. And then they're going to send you the details, what to expect. Unfortunately, my baby didn't get an apron. They said they were out, but we got there pretty early. It's okay. Next time he'll get one.